Hello and welcome to Flipped Maths with Mrs. D. Hoog. Today I'll be talking to you about what the flipped classroom is and the benefits of this new way of teaching and learning. Now I decided to start researching into the flipped classroom probably a few months ago, and it's a really exciting way of teaching students and helping them learn in a really great way. So I'm just going to show you what the main differences are between the traditional classroom and a flipped classroom, and what that actually means for students. Now, on the traditional classroom side of things, at school students typically learn new topics by watching and listening to the teacher, and then they are able to practice that new topic of the skills in class. At home, they then get to practice again and more on that topic. The flipped classroom, however, is different because at home they actually learn the new topics by watching one video each week, and that video is one that I have created for the students myself to personalise it. And students then practice some of the concept on a homework sheet, and they can then bring that into school the following day, and we can talk about it in class also with their peers as well. And at school, they get straight into the maths practice with their peers, myself, or by themselves. So now I'm just going to look into the benefits of using the flipped classroom. Now, what actually happens is the students are learning the new concepts at home, as I said earlier in this video. Just fix this one up. There we go. And they can rewind the video if they missed a part. So if they're watching the video and they miss a bit, they just didn't hear it properly or something, they can just rewind the video and listen to that part again, which is something you cannot do in class. So this is a wonderful feature of the flipped classroom. And this helps students to feel more prepared for their math lessons because they've already hopefully understand the concept as they're coming to school, or before they come to school, so they're ready. And they have no distractions from their peers when learning something new in maths because they're sitting in front of their computer at home and they're learning it. They can pause, rewind, and then ready to practice with myself, their friends, or by themselves. Class time is also more differentiated. That means that I can help each student according to their needs as much as I can. And this means that students may have more class time to work with their peers on problems to solve. Because in the traditional classroom, in maths, I would spend some time teaching the whole class the new concept, and that takes up a chunk of the lessons in the week for maths. So this just cuts that time out, and you can have more time for problem solving. And students get straight into the maths practice and lessons because they have watched the video, and so they come prepared. So this is where we have more time to delve into harder problems at school with my support, and it also helps me build on their knowledge and then move the students quicker into higher order thinking, such as developing the skills of problem solving and also critical thinking, which is something very important as we're coming in to the 21st century for students to have. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching and listening to this video on the flipped classroom, and please make sure you come and see me or email me if you have any questions about this new journey that we're about to embark on. Thank you.